I want to show you some creative usage for one of the platforms I'm sure you know, Dropbox. You have to have Dropbox. It's the greatest cloud-based solution out there, and I want to show you how to create an account on your desktop computer, and of course you can then download the application both for Androids and iOS, and basically synchronize all your devices around the Dropbox. So let's see how we do it. Sign in, create an account. We'll start by creating an account. First name, demo account. I'm using a demo account, as you're well aware of. 98 as tutorial at gmail.com. Let's put in a password. Agree to the terms. It doesn't like my password, it's too weak. Let's put in some capitals and stuff. Okay, still not a big fan of my password, but we're gonna go for it anyway. And I'm going to create an account. It's very, very simple. I'm going to download Dropbox. We start downloading here. Okay, run it. Of course, if you're using Windows, it depends on how fast your connection is, and so on and so on. The point of Dropbox, and now I'm gonna, while it's downloading, because I want to do everything in real time and show you all the real instructional and tutorial videos without skipping steps. What I want to tell you is how to use it in a creative way as a real estate agent or broker, and here the emphasis is on brokers actually. You can synchronize your entire office around Dropbox by creating an account for all users. All users synchronize this account to their mobiles or to the tablets. And your secretary, by the way, can be the one that manages, or your office manager can be the one who is in charge of this account. And what you do is that you create folders for each neighborhood in your franchise, and each neighborhood, the properties will be uploaded to Dropbox by the different agents, or by the office manager or the secretary. And then every agent, everywhere they go, and a listing presentation or a showing, working with buyers, pre-qualifying, it doesn't really matter. Wherever they are, they'll always be able to show all the properties that they have in the office, not just in a specific, not just in their own specific inventory, but the entire office. And what we're going to do now is we're going to install Dropbox. Okay. Installing. I'm sure that these steps are very, very easy for you, and I'm sure you can replicate them quite successfully without too much of hassle. It's basically just downloading software, but I want to go back to my idea. So all your office synchronized to the same Dropbox account on their mobiles, on their tablets, and one person, it's an office manager or a secretary, is in charge of uploading properties to the Dropbox, and then it synchronizes automatically for all your users. And now imagine that they're going on a listing presentation or wherever they are, and they can just show this to a potential client, show the entire inventory of the office. It's quite cool. By the way, this is a Dropbox will eventually be here in the corner. Okay, and you can open the folder. It looks like a regular folder, Dropbox. Okay, looks like a regular folder. This is my Dropbox. All my folders are already prepared in advance, but I can add a folder, take out a folder, and now imagine that each of these folders is a neighborhood in your franchise, in your city, and under each neighborhood you have subcategories, which are the properties, and everyone is synced to the same account. That's pretty cool, and that's how you basically download Dropbox and set it up. It's quite simple, not a lot of work, and I highly, highly recommend this both for your desktop computer and for your mobiles.